How to fix Telegram bot not working. To fix issues with a Telegram bot not working, you can try to ensure your device has a stable internet connection, as connectivity issues can prevent bot functionality. So just simply check internet connection. Next, go to the App Store and check for updates. Install any available updates to ensure you're using the latest version. And clear cache and data. Open device settings, navigate to apps, then click Telegram, select clear cache and clear data to resolve potential glitches. Next, try to reinstall Telegram. Just simply uninstall and then reinstall the app to reset any corrupted files. Next, if you're managing a bot, confirm it has the necessary permissions and is configured correctly. Sometimes bots may be down or misconfigured. Check their official channels for updates or issues. Additionally, you can try to check forums about Telegram topics because sometimes it is said that Telegram fixes its own issues and just need to wait for updates. You can also try to clear cache in the Telegram storage usage settings. Just go to storage and then look for the clear cache. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.